Hello everyone, Zero635 here, and here we have another repair that I'm doing. Here's a little fun fact: I tend to do more than one repair at a time. So the current repair you guys saw yesterday is the Sharp Image V2 silver one that I'm currently working on for a friend. And with that one, right now we have it all de-wired and everything. Just gotta glue a few pieces here and there before I started the rewire process. And right now I went ahead and started on working on this Aibo. This is a Latte Ers-311. His name is Kopaka, and he belongs to a friend of ours in the Lots of Bots group, and his name is Joseph. Originally, he was sent in to get this leg here fixed because it was making a lot of clicking noise. But I opened it, and it turns out there's just like a big piece of debris that was stuck in between one of the gears. Cleaned that out, and it was completely fine after that. So this paused fine. It has another issue where the head gets stuck, as you can tell. So I'm gonna have to, well, actually, yeah, it doesn't get stuck from time to time. So I'm gonna have to look into that and see what's going on. And those are the only two issues. He got stuck in the postal, well, in the post office, well, not in the post office at this point, but within the mail line of USPS for a solid month, only to arrive with severe. This is his rear right hip was damaged up badly to the point that this whole portion here was cracked. It was broken, but I glued that. And his poor gearbox is like bent. I don't see how something like this even happens. And what's interesting is the fact that this was very well wrapped. And somehow this all meant literally just bent. But luckily I got in contact with the Aibo clinic and they sold me a new gearbox. The exact one that I needed. No, oh, it has motor. No main big gear here, but the good thing is, all I gotta do is just transfer this leg on this new gearbox. But this gear here came from a junk leg we have, but it wasn't compatible with the this side. It was I think it was a left front leg, so it wasn't gonna work. But we took this gear from it due to the fact that the shaft here it's straight, as to the one in here. When I removed it, it was bent. So it's like, oh lordy, this poor dog. But other than that, this one should be done within no time. Well, the leg should be fixed before the end of the night. The head, I'm gonna have to see, because I've never worked on the head structure of a 31X model. So yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.